G'day, mates. I am Dazza the Dalek, and I want to have a yarn about the Doctor Who Down Under campaign. Behind me you see scenes from the Whitsundays, which Dalek scans reveal that, apart from the nuclear bunkers on Skaro, it is the most relaxing place in the known universe. I say to the producers of Doctor Who, let's bring Doctor Who Down Under. Relocate, 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 so I can rejuvenate in the Whitsundays. Earthlings, go to www.doctorwhodownunder.com.au now, or you will be exterminated. Obey, obey, obey.